It's this.
So that's exact center?
That's the center of the clock face.
Clock face.
Clock face. That's the center of the board, but we're not using that.
All right, Matt, can you continue doing that for me? I got to go to a meeting.
Okay, we set this to 3 1/4. Or actually, the clock face is 4 1/2, so let's do this 2 1/4 again. See, there's a tripod in there. Okay, so here's 2 1/4. Again, which is the size of the clock face. And I get a lot of people that mess this clock up because they want to put this down there. That is not the center of the clock face. Remember to go down 3 1/4 and then mark it. Okay. Check your measurements. That should be 4 1/2. Okay, that looks perfect, right? Okay, now this top arc is 3 1/4. Okay, so we're going to go from the same center as the clock face. You're going to bring this up to 3 1/4, which should be right there, right on the edge of the board, and we're going to draw that top arc. Okay, you guys see that? Seth, you want to join us over here and get off your phone, please? I'm not doing this, guys, because I just feel like doing it. You guys need to know how to do this stuff. And when I take time to demonstrate it, I don't appreciate you not paying any attention to what I'm doing. Okay? Come on. Let's get with it, please. All right, so now, this says that those two arcs come together 1/2 inch above where the center of the clock face is. So we go up 1/2 inch. We make a mark on that arc. Mark the arc. Okay? I'm going to run this one out a little bit further because I didn't make that long enough. So we go up 1/2 inch. Okay? What radius are these curves? What radius are these curves?
3 1/4.
What radius is that curve? 3 1/4. Same as the top. Okay, and it says that that should end at 1 3/4 up from the side. 1 3/4. So I got to mark that. I go up 1 3/4 and mark it. That'd be right there.
Excellent picture quality.
1 3/4 is right there. Okay. So what we're going to do, we got this set to 3 1/4. We're going to take this point. We want the arc to end up there. And we're going to find the bisector here. This is geometry, right? Geometry is
the easiest thing in the world.
Big part of life. Okay, so did you guys see that?
Do you do your homework?
Took the compass.
That's why.
Guys, run the camera, please. Took the compass, made an arc here. I want that arc to end up back down here. Took the compass, made an arc there. I have a bisector point right there. See it? Now all I got to do is take the compass, put it on there. And that should end up hitting those 2 points. There and there. And it's tangent to that line. So make an arc there, go up 1 3/4, make an arc there, put the compass, that's the bisector point, draw that. Okay, there's the layout on one piece. That one's done. It says to do all boards. So you got to do this times 7.
Why don't you just cut that out and then trace it?
The reason you don't do that is when you're going through these boards, you need to know where stuff is like this, a knot. Okay, so we need to look at that and draw it on here to see where we're going to hit that. It might be better if we turn this board this way. That would probably get cut off. because it would be actually up here.
Well, I think you'd know that if you're tracing it. Just saying.
I want you guys to do the layout on all the boards. It's not that big a deal. I just did it, and I could go a lot faster, but I was showing you guys. So you just got to do every board, okay? This one I only have 3 boards. This one has 7. Okay,
am I done with
guys,
the camera?
we only have 7 minutes, so I need you guys to